Naman Exo Micaela Oldigo, City First Platoon Leader, Girls Yuri D. Apunal, Second Platoon Leader, Girls Dayan Caino, Maping Company Commander Jerome Umandul, Maping Company Exo Junjun N. Blasa, First Platoon Leader John Dorian Overo, Second Platoon Leader Ashley Paraños, School Head Salve B. De la Cruz, City Maping Facilitator Roni B. Galicia, Assistant CDP Maping Coordinator Jeremy Escaño, Major Coordinator Casilin Marilac, Assistant Major Coordinator Mary Francis P. Valientos, DXMCPNC Coordinator Adeline Nicolas, Assistant DXMCPNC Coordinator Julian Albertino, entry number 26, Palsong National High School, Palsong Bulak, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 26, Palsong National High School, Bulak, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 27, Bulak National High School, Sagrada, Bulak, Camarines Sur, Chopenstra, Andre J.